What's up YouTube? We're back with another awesome moto vlog. Today's video is going to be a recap of my weekend at MotoGP in Austin, Texas. Let's get started. Alright, so before we get into the weekend events at MotoGP, I just want to do a little channel update for all you GX folks out there. We got plenty of GX470 content coming up your way. I just received my Garage Alpha grill, so this is going to be installed this coming weekend, and I will film an updated video and give you a full review of what I think of the grill, and we'll do some nice shots so you can kind of see what it looks like, and also address some of the things that I've been seeing people comment about with regards to the install and things they may or may not like about the, what I've heard, mounting hardware. So for all you GX470 folks, hang in there. We got plenty of content coming up for you. So that's it for the channel updates, and now I want to transition into a full recap of the weekend I just had at MotoGP. It was an awesome event, all motorcycle based. I ran a motorcycle through RiderShare, which was awesome. I had never used the app before. It's a way for you to rent motorcycles through people who just personally own the motorcycle and they want to rent it out for a couple days. Thank you, Whitney, for letting me borrow the Yamaha XSR 900 of yours. It was a fun bike to ride over the weekend, and I really appreciate you helping the process go so smoothly. The RiderShare app, never used it before, and I must say that it was seamless end to end. So as most of you know, Max does all of the music for the Awesome Moto channel, and I can't thank you enough for that, Max. Thanks for all the awesome music, and we're both really big motorcycle enthusiasts, and this entire weekend was planned around going to the MotoGP event and also just exploring Austin on motorcycles. So the whole weekend was a blast, and I really just want to take this time to just do a video recap of the whole weekend with some music of Max's, and just kind of show everybody what the weekend was like and give you some great shots of some motorcycles and some cool content. So without further ado, here's a recap of this weekend's events.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Austin, where the local time is 9:24 a.m.
So as you can see, I have a normal, reasonably quiet motorcycle, and then we got Max over here with this loud kid.
MotoGP legend and 93 world champion for 500cc racing to take us through what should be another epic race.
Wow, that was an awesome weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed those clips. It was quite a city to explore on a motorcycle. I highly recommend if you're going to Austin, rent a motorcycle. It makes it way more fun. It's a much better way to see the city. Austin in general just was covered in awesome food and drinks. Circuit of the Americas track was absolutely amazing. It's very clean. The painting around the corners with the stars and the red, white, and blue. It's just a really clean looking track. So if this is your first time watching an awesome moto video, my name's Eric. I do moto vlogs, GX470 content, and BMW content. So if you like this content, you want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get updates whenever I upload new videos. And also hit that like button to let me know if you enjoyed the video. The likes really give me good feedback as to what content the audience likes to see, and I gauge that feedback and I use that to tailor the direction of the channel. So truly is a user-driven channel. So I'm going to end things here. Hopefully you enjoyed this recap of Austin and MotoGP weekend. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.